Hello, the doctor is in. I put this in my hair earlier with some water. That's Miles Rice water hair lotion, like a moisturizing milk. It's really nice. I usually use this on my natural hair. Normally I'd use it on my natural hair, but I decided to use that with some mousse today, the matching mousse actually. Well, Miles pomegranate mousse, curl defining, so I figured why not. Anyways, I'm just kind of letting it air dry. I feel like lately I've been wanting to paint, so I found the stuff that have been tucked away for a little bit, and I'm gonna see what the Holy Spirit inspires. As I said, just washed my face, so I'm gonna go in with this our friend here. Oh, yesterday I did the mask for my face wash, so I feel good. Like my face feels very clean. This is Shea Moisture. There we go. And I have the mask that matches it, like the charcoal mask. So I've painted, like I like to paint. I've painted before quite a few times actually, sometimes with friends or with family. I've painted my cat before. My husband painted the cat. Like we paint, okay. We've also painted like models, like sculptures in a way, miniature ones. But oh, sorry, that's chapstick and cotton candy. I'm a cotton candy girl. And then we're going in with our eye jelly. So the inspiration is back to paint. But I did want to do a little intro, I guess, instead of just randomly popping out like what I got a name again, Bob Dylan. I don't know, because that's also a singer too, right? Anyways, this product is nice. It always so satisfying, like squeezing the little, because this is like soft and you squish it. It was a learning curve when I first got the product, I must admit, in terms of how to dispense the product out the bottle, but it's fun and cute. I took a walk today. Do I want to? Yeah, let me moisturize. It's right here too. Normally I talk to God on these prayer walks, you know, and when I say talk to him, like I'm mostly quiet, and even if I have earphones in, I'll turn it down. Even if I'm listening to like a biblical message, like I'm still gonna just turn it off and walk with him, you understand? And I celebrate his glory when the trees, like when the light shines through the trees and, you know, wildlife. So I celebrate those things, you know. I celebrate the plants. And when you get to witness plants in a stage of growth, it's a beautiful thing. That's why some people, once they get a house plant and they're hooked. I'm a beginner in that arena, but I have a cane plant in my living room. I celebrate God's glory in all these different things. Father Lord, I pray that you're filtering my words, please. I'm just trying to get some of these stray hairs out the way. This is Awake From You Nice. and this video isn't sponsored, okay? Next, I'm gonna go in with some sunscreen. You know what? I don't know, because sometimes it lifts, and I'm not into that right now. But I'm gonna be sitting in the sun, child. Calm down. And we get a glow anyway, so. And I'm not gonna hold you. This is a product like I genuinely enjoy using it. But obviously, mind you, when winter time comes, you're still supposed to put on your sunscreen, but I'm not as diligent about sunscreen. When I was living in the island, like in Jamaica, me not put on no sunscreen. We just get up and go outside. Matter of fact, me never even check no weather. Like, I know, like, nowadays people really have the weather app and stuff like that, and I get it. Like, it can be convenient, and it can help you to prepare for your day, you know, certain events and whatever. But Crystal, she just go. She not check them something there. Because you know why? God can change the weather. And what did Cartel say? Let me stay away from that. All right, now we just did the sunscreen, so I think I'm gonna put my glow screen underneath my foundation. Actually, yeah. I kind of normally I'd put it on like a sort of highlight, but today I'm thinking I just want to put a glow in this section and see what it do. Not in my forehead. Let me just tip the bridge of the nose, and then my lip, and that's it. Which could be just trying something out here. Let's rub that in. It's just gliding very smoothly, very slippery. What was that now? We need a primer, you know. We need a primer. Let's get the tools. Yes. Oh. Talisa, when you're not used to the filming, I'm so annoyed I forgot my. No, don't get it twisted. I start my days like with this and with God in all sorts of different ways. But if I wash my face and it's a fresh face, I do want to anoint my forehead with my little oil as I prayed to God to bless for me. It's my relationship with God. Everybody has their own individual relationship with God as long as they seek it. That's why my little slogan is like, keep him first and love always. Because we all need love. It makes the world go round. I am glowing, child. Did you catch that? Did you catch that exit? That departure? That, ooh, it was like, glow, shoot. Okay, super goop. All right, now I did say I needed a primer and I did not get the tools. All right, and while I'm here, there's the missing eyebrow pencil. And primer. Okay, so I think I'm gonna, which one first? Prime or pencil? Oh, you know what I need to put on before I even do this? The pore eraser from Maybelline. Maybe she's bored with it. Maybe it's Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. Works pretty well. I have texture. Okay, she got texture, but I think it works pretty well. Now I can see a blur, but I don't know if you caught that. So look, and look, it's kind of like softened there. This is a big bump, so we're not gonna try pretend say little ointment or cream. I'm gonna rub it out. Whoa. I don't want to put too much. Anyways, enough of that. Is that you see it or you don't? I think my mouth corner, you shouldn't even be using that much because the product a little goes a long way. Around my nose corner, because those places crease horribly. Can't stand it. And then, yeah, there we go. Lovely, lovely. All right, let's just tickle these eyebrows for a second. I kind of like them when they're very natural, all natural. However, you know, so it's been a long time since we can't. What that mirror that I do? Anyways, not my focus. I'm just using the Dior Forever bronzer to mark these in. Just kind of ever so subtly. I'm really not about to do the most. Because sometimes when you do all of that, people know say your eyebrow fake, you know. So it don't make no sense you do all of that. Yeah, we all know we're wearing makeup, but your eyebrows don't need to. Then again, there's a time and a place for everything. And if you're on stage, like I said, like if you're doing stage makeup, it needs to jump out. Whether them a cousin or a sister or just peers, your eyebrows on stage need to jump out. This right here. Why you say so? Sometimes a little gap or line in eyebrows is a vibe though. Like if it's shaved in, like if it's a design, of course. Okay, I think we're leaving that alone. All right, so that was the Elf Instant Lift Brow Pencil. that's clean off. All right, so we did some eyebrows. I think I want to put a little something on my eyelids. So use this cutie pie brush, and I'm like contemplating if I want to put a cream base. Yeah, let me do that. So I'll go in with the primer finally. This is the Luminous Silk Hydrating Primer. And please remember, some I don't already have enough things on my face. Alright. But so it goes sometimes when we're doing art. I'm about to go paint, but I want to look cute. You know, I want to look cute, so there's that. Okay, just rubbing that in. Getting some on the eyelids, because we said we're going with a little sprinkle of things on there. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Our face is so moisturized. I would just go like this. Just need to tackle the texture. But am I mad at it? No. It adds character to a face. It's a normal face. What else face supposed to look like? Oh, I have an unbagging. And I'm very excited about it. I'm very excited about it. Should I go get it now? I'm gonna be right back. I went to grab the package and a pair of scissors very quickly. So we are about to do this unbagging. I'm very excited. Ooh, scissors, child, scissors. And then we'll get right back to doing my face real quick. So let's begin. Yes, all right. Before I even cut this open, I want to say, all right, let's go. Girl, this looks like I could just rip it in there. But the scissors are, oops, not my palette. The scissors are so, and it's fragile, by the way. Ooh, we should have just, it's fragile, sis. It's fragile. We're gonna just fold it. Okay. Okay. Wow. It says please do not double stack. So not supposed to put on top of the package. Treasure my love. Does it show? All right. So this is the spot fading skin repair face cream. Ooh. All right. So I'm resting the bag off to the side, and then I'm just gonna pop my hand in there and pick out things. But I kind of want you to get the novelty of me taking it out. Like, you know, that's the point. All right. Let me just clear this spot. Scissors. Bring you and barely use you. Well, I use it just in other arenas. All right. I'm so awkward. Okay, so this is, I'm so excited. This is to be used one. That's so pretty. I like that top. It's like glassy. All right, next is actually bubble wrapped, which is nice. So pulling. Ooh, it says bougie smooth face scrub. Okay, that's lit. I'm excited to try this. Exfoliates to remove dead skin cells. Yes, because we finna consecrate. We're trying to consecrate. Let me calm down. All right, so opening up. How cute is the packaging? Oh my goodness. Bougie for real. I'm about to actually open. All right, no, let me leave it alone. Thank you, Holy Spirit. All right, next. Look for me some of them skin out how them drop. My primer, my palette. All right. We got a new growth hair serum. That's exciting. Yes, promotes healthy thick hair. My hair could use some thickening. All right, let's see. I'm excited for the packaging because it's so cute. Oh, this is really nice. I'm so excited to use these products. Hold on. All right, let me stick that right there because I almost opened the bottle. Almost. All right, what do we got? Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so remember when I told you earlier how... Anyways. Face mask. Look how we was just talking about face mask a while ago. It still got nice. I did not remember. I'm excited. Let's just put it that way. All right, so this is the Treasure My Love Skincare Bougie Perfection Face Mask. Ooh. All right, let's see here. That's such a vibe. And I like that this is like mirror reflective material, and then the glassy kind of vibe is just, it's so luxurious. And then with the white and gold, come on now. This is so exciting. Yeah. All right, so I guess that's it, because the bag is, I think the bag don't have nothing else in there now. Yep, we're empty. Just some bubble wrap, which is nice because it is fragile stuff with this kind of packaging. Oh yeah. And I like that it's not double stacked, so the boxes remains like wholesome, like them not crush up them. You know what I mean? Like the delivery, the order process went smoothly. The timing of the delivery, I'm very happy with the experience. Yeah, share that with you. So that's the Treasure My Love skincare and hair care, because I got a hair serum in there as well. Yeah, so just putting this aside. Oh, God bless you, Stephanie. So Stephanie Smith is the owner of the brand Treasure My Love. I don't know her personally, but I have watched her YouTube videos and she's very connected to God. Stephanie, if you ever watch this video, God bless you, literally. Like, I love you and you're my sister in Christ, and I pray for you. And I'll leave that there because I don't know you. I don't want to come off as too much. All right, so where did we leave off? I said I was gonna do a little thing on my eyes. So I have my little brush here. Is this from Farah? Indeed. Okay, and I have my Fenty Beauty Sunstalker bronzer highlighter palette. So this color here, India Sun, it's like a kind of nudish. I want to put as my base. And I'm starting with my eyes before I do anything too much on the rest of my face, because sometimes the powder from your eyes get underneath and then it messes up your whole thing. You probably conceal and bake and set and everything, and then the powder, then whatever dust come catch down there, and it just, I'm never with that. So yeah. You know what I wanted to mention? Oh, that's nice. Nice, soft, going with, well, let me bring it up to my eyebrows a little bit, because I don't know if I'm gonna be concealing them per se. I do need to put something brighter up there, so I probably shouldn't have put that, but it's okay. We're creating a neutral sort of base here. This is a contour zone, this arch, so I don't want to bring the light powder too much over there. What's just enough? So then I'm gonna go in with a little browner. A little browner. All of them brown, that's the funny part. We're going in with Private Island, child. So how have you been anyway? I hope you've been good, you know? I hope you see the grace of God in everything. I've had some projects. I've been like doing some work and stuff, and caramel cutie next, and that's a color, since it's a little darker, I'm gonna put it like in the crease. And if you notice, I'm going from lighter to darker colors in this with the same brush, because we got to be resourceful sometimes, and it helps to blend like along the gradient, the color gradient and theme, or whatever you're going with. I've been feeling all kinds of ways lately, but I've been thanking God, you know. I thank God, like, and I'm never gonna, that's one thing I'm never gonna stop. You know what I mean? Like, so, Coconutty, I'm gonna do that one because the last one is Thick Mint, and Thick Mint is the darkest shade on this palette. So I'm gonna take Coconutty and bring it into the creases again, but like more on the outskirts. Yeah, like that. Yes, child. We're going for like cutie nudie, but not naughty nudie. We're goody girls. We're goodies. If you're a guy, you're a goody guy. Like, we're goodies over here. Don't do nothing. We're not supporting anything bad. And sometimes I know bad is used to denote like something cute or good or whatever, but that literally such a contradiction that I don't have time for that. Like, I don't have too much time to try to decipher that when it's clearly bad is the opposite from good. So we goodies over here. All right, that really did kind of create some shading. You see that? So now I can go in with my before I do that, let me try and go back again, but I need a lighter color. That's what I'm just gonna highlight. So thick mint, here we go, only in the outskirts and like along a line, kind of. Yeah, there we go. And then there's a little fornix in here, like a kind of dip in my bone structure there, where my eye socket kind of gonna end, the lateral aspect of my, anyways, let's put the signs down for now. So the concealer gonna kind of cut this way while the eyeshadow does that thing. And then some people, if they're doing their eyeliner, the eyeliner is what cuts, like, is the line of demarcation, if that makes sense. All right, so you know, I took a shower this morning, and when I shower, literally I even think of that as a time to catch back up with God, like reconnect with him. And it's a private time, because usually you normally would bathe by yourself, you know. Yes, I know there are instances where another person may be involved in that, but for the most part we take showers by ourselves. So it's definitely a good time to, you know, while you're cleaning up your body, talk to God. Here we go. Okay. I feel like there's something where, like a little, is it you? Was that hair the culprit this whole time? Sheesh. All right, let's do this pretty highlighty from now. Right here, because that's where the light gonna hit. The bouncy. Ooh. And there we go. There we go. All right, so we're gonna chill with that for now. Oh, hold on. Let me highlight underneath my brows. But I'm only using the lighter one, which is Fat Glass. Gold Card was the other one. There we go. There we go. They're so pretty. They're so pretty. And then just lightly dust it so it can blend that way. There we go. I tapped the Gold Card because I did tap it 2 times the first time. So, but for the most part, it's only Fat Glass here. Okay. Yep. It's pretty. Sometimes I like to highlight above the brow as well. People conceal it. I don't really like to conceal my eyebrows too much. It brings too much definition unless you're looking for that, like stage makeup. That's just me. Otherwise, a soft accentuation of the brow bone. Look at that. That's nice. I almost don't even want to put any like makeup on, but we primed our face already, and we're gonna just keep going. We're gonna keep going. All right, so I think I'm done with my eyebrows for now. So do I need to brush them? No. Ooh, we almost messed up. No, let's go. Let's just brush them, because we did that. This is a plain old I Love Anna Beauty. That's a cute name. Are you kidding? It's so cute, like light and fluffy to brush. All right. Now, I think I want to use my Kabuki. This is the Fenty Beauty one that I use with my body agave. No. Aha. Are you the one? Yes. Let's go in with our Skin Smoothing Complexion number 704 from It Cosmetics, Heavenly Skin. All this in our hand. And our foundation is our Gucci This is the Eternity Beauty. I don't know how to say it, let's face it. But it's their 24-hour wear breathable foundation. Get my hair out of the way. All right, let's start with one pump. I usually do 2, and I'm going to do 2 more than likely, but I like to start blending. Oh, nose. Look at that. Now, is this a freshly washed brush? No. Definitely that makes a difference in, I mean, I don't know. It does make a difference in the application of your makeup if it's a freshly washed brush, and for hygienic purposes you want to use a freshly washed brush. However, it takes forever to dry them, and then sometimes if they don't dry properly, and just in general, they can grow mold and all sorts of bacteria in it because you wet the. I'm gonna put another layer of this. No, we're gonna conceal. All right, because this is still like, look, this is still looking good, right? This is a big bump. We spoke about the bump already. We're not gonna try to deny there's a bump. It's probably a love bump, God's willing. So this side, yeah, they look about the same almost. There's just a little darker tone or a little more. He's not a makeup artist. I don't know how to describe it. There's a slight difference, but I don't have a preference so far. So let me get this concealer. Bam. There are little hairs everywhere getting on my nerves. On my nerves. Okay, I need a. I like that brush, and I'm just gonna bring it over there. Okay. Here from Eco Tools, we have a pointed concealer brush. So I think that's what we're gonna use. Look here. Oh wait, there. Moving right along. Oh, but we're gonna let that sit for a while. My bad. And then I found this cute little brush. It has no name, no none, but the bristles are really fun. So I think I want to put something on with that later. I don't even know what. All right, Ella Luz, you're up, sweets. This is the bronzer I've been using lately. I usually use the Fenty matchsticks. So I have the trio with, I think Truffle was one of them, but the highlight, the contour, and the concealer stick, OG, like that's an OG. I think I want to use this brush. Yeah, the same brush that I use on my foundation. No, yeah, mad girl. Yeah, we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. And I'm gonna put some more contour. But yeah, that brush, well, that trio is an OG trio that I used to use. And I still use it, I just can't find it right now. And I've also just been kind of trying these products, seeing how they work, seeing if they fit into my routine or whatever. And I mean, I don't even have too much of a routine, but I'm trying to get used to makeup more and putting it on more. So I want to get more comfortable with using products more than once seeing how they go. Like lately I've been keeping my makeup on for more than 12 hours because normally that don't last long. Like if the party was over, it's off, or if the function, the event is done, it's off. And I don't put it on for nothing. Like, or in general, like I know some people that they enjoy it just because it's fun, you know what I mean? It's a part of, and that's what I'm coming to realize the more I'm putting on makeup, is that like, and it's not like I didn't know it was fun, but I'm just saying why I would actually incorporate it into my routine and do it more often, is that I'm realizing it's kind of therapeutic, it's fun, you get to pretty up yourself, you see how the face angles and how God made you and just how you enhance it. You put a little filter on it. You're not saying, and we're all beautiful, right? So we don't need enhancement, let's face it. I'm just saying it's fun. I think that's all. Let's put a lip. No, I'm not even about to do that. My nose is what it is right now. The concealer, I think I'm ready. No. So we have our Simi Hazy in Dawn. Oop, oop. This is their duo. It's matte and dewy. I'm using the matte right now. Oh, a little bit up there. I don't want to forget this little blushy base. I'm gonna put some more on that side. Oh, the bump! The bump got blush. So it go. So it go. Now you follow your little apple. The apple of your cheek. Follow along the little bouncy curvature. Okay. And I'll put a little bit up here, because it comes a little bit up when I smile, but I don't want to bring too much into the concealer zone. But you see how cute it is? Cute pink. Let me put a little bit of the dewy. I like to build up the color from one spot, so I put the majority of it in one spot there, and then I just build it. I don't use that method for every product or every time I do blush, because it depends, but for the most part you put it where you know for sure it's gonna go, and then you just send it out from there. You blend it. Hear me talk like that. Hear me talk like that. Me's no professional. Do what you do what work for you, y'all. Alright, because sometimes you can make it look wild out if you put too much in one spot, right? Alright, let's clear this concealer off. So, friends, I don't know if this did already, you know, but I want to put the Fenty eye brightener on top of this. Go away. Just whatever is left on the brush. And sometimes just a little pinkish hue under your eye is actually really cute. Like it shows that the blush comes all the way up. That's adorable. That's also like one of the trends I've been noticing lately. I think I may try it. Like when I finish blending out this, I may put just a little blush up there to demonstrate what I mean. Some people do it with a powder, like the MAC Cherry Blossom powder is what a lot of people are doing it with. That one seems to be achieving the vibe for the girls. I'm more referring to like putting blush, like actual blush cream under there with my concealer, like as part of my concealer. Now this line that I always try to get rid of. Ooh, 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 ooh. It feels so nice and soft. Even though it's a pointy brush, it's not like jabbing at my eyes. I definitely need to work on the texture of my face. But you can't change what God gave you, so I ain't worried about it. Okay, I'm gonna see, I'm trying to get that concealer, blend it out. I'm gonna take the, which one? The dewy one. Yeah, no, the matte, and bring it just a little bit higher up. Now I do this, I've shown this trick already, where to bring it by your nose bridge, but then I'm gonna literally follow across just like that, just lightly. You see it came higher up? I don't know if you noticed. And then I'm gonna connect it across on my nose bridge. I'm just tapping whichever one at this point, because I like the pink. Okay, and this kind of also emulates like if you got a little sun exposure and your skin react and get a little pink or red. Not encouraging people to go into the sun and get burned up, because skin cancer still is a real thing. But just to say, you can achieve certain looks with your makeup. All right, so now I'm gonna set my concealer with Powder Laura Mercier. Shall we use this kabuki? Shall we use this kabuki? No, because we need a pat kind of vibe. Like, sis, what are you talking about? We're gonna use this brush because we've used it for blush before. This is our Lisa Frank edition. Is it Farah though? I don't remember. It came from Ipsy. So a lot of my brushes are actually from Ipsy, which is like a kind of like a membership thing that I no longer have anymore. I had a lot of fun with it though while it lasted, I'll say that. And they were growing, like they kept like getting better. Like the bags were cool, bigger bags, more products, full-size products with different ranges of products, personalized kind of stuff, you know, depending on your quiz or personalities. That was a long time ago now, since I've had Ipsy. I feel like I want to try a Gucci face powder. That's what I think I want to try. So we're gonna first do we're gonna do this first, or Fenty powder. And I'm gonna use a kabuki brush. This is her Pro Filter powder foundation, actually. Nice. And I was supposed to bronze my contour, but I'll do that right after. With my Dio. Shadow Dio. Let's get that up there, please. Thank you. We need to go. Cool. Let's get the blush going. Bringing that up a little bit. Literally under my eyes a little bit. Then I like that. That's cute. She's cute or whatever. Bronzer. So here we are. So bronze. That I know that's not the brush I use. I think it's the same foundation. I'm not doing that though. That's wild. So bronze, we're using Farah. I don't know the number of this brush. And this is our Dior. This is Dior Forever Natural. Okay, I'm trying to let it kind of connect to the blush. So it's like not just random pink and stuff, like there's some kind of connection there. Sometimes you can put a little more blush on top of your bronzer, but I don't think I need to do all that right now. Yo, when I was in college, there was this bronzer that I would never put down. What was it again? Oh my gosh, I need to go look through my makeup if I still have it, because I have a lot of my old makeup still. But this bronzer, child, was lit. Summertime, wintertime, indoor, outdoor, party, church. I'm not trying to mix the two, I'm just saying that bronzer was for every occasion. That bronzer was very, very nice. And you know, as women, we don't need to go and embellish ourselves and go to church. I'm just to say, it was a nice bronzer. This is nice. Gucci alone, Gucci Armani. So now I'm gonna go back over everything with Charlotte Tilbury. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Okay. Nice. You see that? Once again, ignore the bump. Ignore the bump, right? Let's just... I think we're done here, folks. Let me just put on a little mascara, set my face with spray, and then call it a day. No, I need to do my lips. I'm bugging. We're bugging, but we're using Maybelline Lash Sensational. Maybe it's Maybelline. I think I need to add more blush, that's why. Dior, are we gonna see you next? I think so. So we bronzed and we blushed with Dior. That's our vibe. That's a vibe. Oh snap, I forgot to spray my face before I did this. That's what literally happened. I should have just did my blush. Hopefully I don't splash out my mascara with the spray. That shit be blowing minds. Pardon my language. This bump though needs to go somewhere else. It needs to go. Leave the premises. And the next time, because this look is nice and subtle, but the next time I think I'm going to use the Fenty cream with the base of the blush as well, so I get a nicer color. Because even though it's summertime, like my skin is really not that tan, because she be inside. She inside the house. Where's the sharpener for this now? Look here. I think we're gonna freestyle with them lips. What do we think? What do we think? Aha. We've got Nutmeg by NYX here. And we've got Kylie in Sweater Weather. So I think that's what we're gonna do. Just gonna wing it. So Nutmeg, thank you. Kylie, you're up. Cute little combo. Never even have to put too much in case you're running low on your lippy. All right, setting spray. Should I use Bear With Me? I want to, but it's fine. We're gonna just do it. I'm so nervous. Oh, the mascara behaved. That's what I was worried about, you know, that the mascara is gonna splash out, but we're good. All right, so once this sets, oh, where's my Fenty something now for my body? I'm not even worried about it. We're not that bad. We're good. Closer look.